Emmy, I'm 14 years old, I'm in the 9th grade, and this is what I think about makeup. I like makeup because it kind of gives you a chance to like throw on some and look cute and just like feel yourself and be like, you know, even if you're having like an ugly day, it's okay. I don't really ever wear makeup. If I do, it'll be either some clear mascara or some highlighter. The only times I ever wear like a full face of makeup is whenever I'm filming the videos for GenZ, whenever I'm trying to do my makeup. My mom doesn't really care when I wear makeup. She just kind of finds it funny when I try to do my full face of makeup videos because they are usually very rough. What I really like about the brand Semwa is that they cater to the teenage skin and they use a lot of natural ingredients that aren't going to irritate or upset sensitive and delicate skin that us young and developing people have. And also the prices for Semwa are very reasonable, which is a plus. When buying makeup, I look for things that are nice and natural and glowy. I'm not really a huge fan of the whole full coverage look, so like more glowy, natural type of looking products, and I also like products that obviously have a reasonable price.